Welcome to my channel. I'm Coach Sean, and I'm here to show you how to take your favorite recipes and make them just a little bit healthier. Today, we're doing the classic chicken and broccoli meal prep, but we're gonna spice it up with our own homemade ranch seasoning. If you are a born and raised ranch-loving Midwesterner, then this is the essential seasoning that you need to really take your meal preps to the next level. You are not gonna wanna miss it. This is Coach Sean's Kitchen. If you love watching me take your favorite foods and make them a little bit healthier, then please consider subscribing to Coach Sean's Kitchen and turn on notifications and like and comment. And really, you should do this for any YouTube channel that you enjoy watching. It is the single best thing you can do to help out your favorite creators. But let's not waste any time with this chicken and broccoli meal prep. Let's go ahead and begin by creating our ranch seasoning mix. Now, all the ingredients and the amounts are gonna be listed below in the description, but into a bowl, we're gonna go ahead and throw some dill weed, some parsley, some freeze-dried chives, then some onion powder, some garlic powder, and then we're gonna finish with some pink Himalayan sea salt and some freshly ground black pepper. And remember, you can adjust these amounts to your own personal taste. We're gonna go ahead and mix this up, and then I like to store it in one of these extra shaker bottles that I have lying around. Just make sure the holes on the top are large enough that your biggest pieces of seasoning can still fit through. Now let's turn our attention to our broccoli. I'm gonna go ahead and chop these guys up until they're equally sized florets, and then I'm gonna add them to a lightly oiled sheet pan. Right in the middle of our broccoli, I'm gonna go ahead and lie down 3 large chicken breasts. Now let's go ahead and season everything up. I'm gonna begin with a light drizzle of olive oil over the broccoli and the chicken, and then I'm gonna hit everything with a bit of salt. Now, onto our ranch seasoning. You can add a lot, you can add a little, but as I said in the intro, I am just a ranch-loving Midwestern boy, so I'm gonna add it over the chicken, broccoli, and probably a little bit too much all around. But the choice is yours. Once done, our pan of chicken and broccoli is going to go into a 400-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, flipping the chicken breast once halfway through. Now, I wish you could smell my kitchen right now because it is a ranch lover's dream. In order to turn this chicken and broccoli into meal prep, I'm gonna take each of the chicken breasts and I'm gonna cut it up into bite-sized pieces. Then I've got my trusty scale. So I'm gonna weigh out my chicken. I'm gonna add some beautifully charred broccoli to the outside. Then you have a delicious and healthy chicken and broccoli meal prep. As far as the taste goes, it's absolutely delicious. It takes that incredibly bland chicken breast and it packs it full of so much flavor without adding a crazy amount of extra calories from ranch dressing. Let me know in the comments what you think and let me know what you wanna see next. I want to thank you for tuning into this episode of Coach Sean's Kitchen, and as always, you can make anything homemade and healthy.